move too fast. She's my baby. She's sitting up there in the window and she hears me coming in, unlocking the door. She jumps down and she comes and greets me. I'm sleeping and she knows I have to have that machine on. Whether I take it off or it comes off automatically, she comes in and jumps and lets me know that, hey, mommy, you gotta wear this, you gotta wear this. And she alerts me, you know. So she's a lifesaver. Yeah, she's a fucking smart ass cat. She's a lifesaver. She saved my life.